listen, I'm on it. Right, the West Coast will still be up. I'll call Carmichael now, and we can close it.
Hello everyone, hope you are well. Today we're going to learn a lot of useful English idioms with me before you. This story is about a small town girl who knows a lot about the people around her. But Will is a man who hates everyone around him. Louisa is hired by Will's mom to take care of him for 6 months. Although they have a rocky start, their relationship grows over time, going from hate to like into love. Uh-oh. But if you want to learn these idioms, at first subscribe us. Now we can start. Are you ready?
Don't even think about it. It's pouring.
Pouring, raining heavily. Oh my god, I hate this weather. Why? Because it's pouring.
Ready? Yeah, listen, I'm on it.
I'm on it. Actively dealing with a problem, job, and etc. We need to get this done. Don't worry, I'm on it.
I don't think I can finish this. Shall we wrap it up for you, Daphne? Have it later? Yeah.
Wrap something up, to cover something. Could you please wrap it up for me?
Do we have to discuss this again?
You can't just mope around. All the best entrepreneurs, they fight their way back from rock bottom.
Mope around, to move from one place to another without any particular energy because you're unhappy or disappointed. She spends her time moping around the house. Rock bottom, at the lowest possible level. He was at the rock bottom.
Oh. I'm just saying, put on a smile and head back to the job centre.
Head back, to return to your previous place. Head back to your school, please.
We are talking about complete loss of the legs and very limited use of the arms and the hands. Would that bother you?
Not as much as would bother him, obviously.
Obviously, clearly. We obviously need more help.
Are you all right?
I'm just a little hot. Do you mind if I take off my jacket?
Do you mind? We use do you mind for getting someone's permission to do something.
Would you like the job?
Yes.
Can you start immediately?
Yes.
Good.
Immediately, happening with no delay. I should finish this project immediately.
My mother says you're chatty. Can we strike a deal?
Strike a deal. To come to an agreement. They finally decided to strike a deal after many meetings.
Is he okay?
It's not great. Bit of a chill.
Bit of a chill. Having cold and not feeling good. Are you okay? No, I'm bad. Why? I'm bit of a chill.
You're really going to do this?
I'm really gonna do this.
My mother's going to be so happy.
Yes. We won't let that put us off.
Put off. Cause someone to lose interest or enthusiasm. She wants to be a nurse, but her family puts her off. Don't forget, if you want to learn these idioms very well, you should repeat them and rewatch this video. Tell me in comments, do you like this movie or not?